Yeah, hi. This is my continued video, and today I will show you how I'm using this Karcher machine, and I'm going to clean this floor, this wooden outside floor patio. And you can see earlier I used this brushes and scrubs and all soaps, and I done this manually with the hand of this by using these brushes. Now you can see the difference. Like the first four I used with my hand, and they are clean but not so much. And this is the old. This you see, this is how much bad in this condition is, so much black. The difference. But this is by hand. But this almost take an hour for me to clean, and I get a lot of pain in my hand. So I thought to buy the machine because it's a long patio and wooden thing. So I thought to buy the machine and just see how much the machine will be effective. Yeah. So today is a quite sunny day. So I am just putting the water first. So to make the planks a little bit cold, so I'm putting the water with the shower, not much with the food. So it's good to put the water with the low pressure so that it will not affect. So I'm likewise I'm putting, I'm doing some small places, so like that. So you can see that the task is done, and now it is so clean and white, and still some wet. So you see a lot of difference is there now.